What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you our TEMU free gifts real 2025. So you might be wondering, are TEMU gifts here free or are real in 2025? So here's the deal here. TEMU is an online shopping platform that's super popular for its low cost products and promos, including offers like free gifts, but the big question is whether these offers are legit. So it's kind of a mixed bag here. Some people have actually gotten their free gifts, so it's not like they're completely fake, but there are a lot of challenges too. So the process can be really time consuming, and some users say that they face issues or delays when trying to claim them. Now, the most common way to get these gifts is through Temu's referral program. That basically means you need to invite friends or family members who haven't signed up. So the catch is a lot of people find it's just not worth the effort. Now the free gifts tend to be low value items that aren't super useful. So you're putting in all this work for something that might not feel worth it. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that Temu's promotions and deals aren't always consistent. So even if you're interested, you might not always see free gift opportunities available when you check. So the bottom line here is it is possible to get free gifts from Temu, but you really have to weigh in whether the effort is worth it. So if you're up for the challenge and don't mind potentially getting a small item, it could be a fun thing to try. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.